Hey y'all, I'm back. But this time, I'm back with a promo. Yep, I created some shirts and hoodies. I want y'all to see it. I want y'all to pretty much, Faith, get off the box. Of course, Faith wanted to chew the box. I got some shirts and hoodies made. I got shirts and hoodies made with my brand name on it. And I want y'all to see them just like I want to see them. So we're going to go ahead. First, we're going to go into these are actually the shirts. Now, anybody know me? They know I'm a hustler. I think of any way to keep money flowing, especially when it comes to like branding myself. What made me want to make shirts and hoodies, I'm stylish. I like to do stuff that other people won't do. I created this design on these shirts because I feel that, I'm a type person that stand out. These shirts, I want y'all to see them. And I'm gonna bring it close now. And when I say they feel nice, they look nice, I love them. I have a small, I have an extra small, I have a medium, I got a large, extra large, I have 2X, and I have 3X. The 2X and the 3X, pretty much I don't have so many, but I can always order more. Next, we're going to go ahead and get into the hoodies. Like I said, these shirts feel so nice. Oh, not even only do I have extra small, I have youth small too. But I actually like them, y'all. This is a small. Look how it fit me. Like, I'm like tiny. Real tiny. So my thing is, if the small fits me pretty good, with me just holding it up to me, I like it. I like it. And then, the good thing about it, comes down not too far. And like I said, the small fits me pretty good. Pretty good. Like I said, I have extra small and I have youth small as well. Now we're going to go ahead and open the box. We'll open the box of our sweatshirts. And I'm pretty much going to stick with the same brand because I actually like it. Sorry about the noise. I should have opened this box like I opened the first one. But that's all right. Let me dim the light a little bit. I feel like I have way too much light in this camera. Right. That's better. All right. Let me actually put these back away. Oh, what I'll do, I'll actually hang one up. I have a clothing rack right behind me. I'll hang one up and then I'll show you exactly the way it looks, on the rack. So I can get a better feel without me actually like holding them up. And I'll put that one back in. And then like I said, these are the hoodies. They have the same design. I'll show you what the hoodies look like. And then from there, I'll go ahead and hang the hoodie up. And then I'll show you a close-up on the shirt and the hoodie wise on the rack. I am so excited. Now, one thing that I did not do was make sure that I ordered black shirts and black hoodies. So there are black shirts and navy hoodies. The good thing about the navy hoodies, they seem to be pretty dark. Oh, I guess this is the box. Oh, nope, here's a small. All right, so, and they package this up pretty good too, by the way. All right. Yeah, they're like all doubled in. All right. Here is a small hoodie. Oh, look, I get that look on me. Love the hood. Nice hood. Has the drawstrings. Let's look at the sleeves. Love the sleeves. They're not too big. Probably wouldn't be too long. I love that it has a small, you know. Oh no, it opens up pretty wide. So you'll be pretty fine. The neckline, you know, it's pretty decent. I love the overall feel of the hoodie. You know, it feels pretty good. One thing I'm going to do next is try to wash one. Wash and probably turn it inside out and try to, you know, I probably let it just air dry because I don't want to ruin it. But one day I want to see how it actually, you know, wash and dry. But look at it. I'm so happy. I love it. It's great. All right. And just like the shirts, I have small, medium, large, extra large, 2X, and I think I have about 2 or 3X. Didn't really want to order too many, but if I get a lot of orders in for, you know, the 3X or the 2X shirts and hoodies, I will order more. All right, here's the shirt pretty much on the clothing rack. This is a small. Doesn't really look that wide. The video actually makes it look wider than what it is. Here is a small hoodie. Like I said again, it looks and, you know, looks and feel pretty nice. I definitely can fit a small. I know normally some hoodies that I buy, they feel, they're just, I can just feel and, you know, just see that they're going to be too big for me. But like I said, actually, this is not the small. This is actually a large shirt. That's why it looks so big. I put the small one back. But this is a large shirt. Like I said, we'll just zoom in a little bit so that you can see the yes, custom. So let me know if you guys want a shirt or a custom hoodie that says Keezy Styles. And I'll get back to you next time.